Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Anybody that's new to the channel, my name is Chris, and in this video we're going to talk about NFLX Stock. This company in the past 10 years has gained over 4,000% in shareholder value. This company has been one of the top 10 companies of the decade. They just reported their earnings and beat every analyst's expectations. Right now they're trading around $585 after hours, but this company still has so much room for growth and expansion that they could potentially be around $700 in year 2021. We all know Netflix as the king of streaming services, but when they reported the earnings, they reported that they have new ideas to expand and better this company. So in this video, I want to go over all the new things and new services that they will be providing in the near future and how this will benefit shareholders. So stick around, guys. I have a lot of great information for you all. So NFLX stock, ticker symbol NFLX, right now is trading around $585.50 after hours. You can see in one trading day, they gained almost over 17%. Okay, in just one trading day. You can see in the past week, we had a huge amount of sustainable increases, but just this one day, it increased from $502 to $575, ending at $585. Okay, they have a market cap of $259.2 billion, and right now they do not have a dividend yield. Okay, so a lot of things, we all know what Netflix does. It's a huge, big streaming service company that streams movies and shows. Okay, a lot of analysts have this company as a buy, number one being a strong buy, number five being a sell. They have this company at a 2.3, which is still considered a buy. A lot of analysts have this company around $700 as a high price prediction and a low price prediction of $235. We all know Netflix as a streaming giant that produces their own original shows and movies, even also has everyone's favorite shows and comedies, movies, and horror flicks as well. In year 2020, it was really big for streaming services. Even AT&T got into the mix and releasing their own HBO Max. Disney Plus had also had a solid year as well, and along with Peacock TV. Okay, but that did not alter Netflix stock whatsoever. When they reported the earnings, they announced two major catalysts that could really propel this company even higher. Okay, number one is that Netflix topped 200 million subscribers for the first time in their history. Okay, that is really big news because in the last quarter, the subscriber growth wasn't really there. But this quarter, they announced that around 8 million new subscribers came in, really helped out their revenue. They reported 8.5 million net new subscribers in the last quarter compared to the 2.2 million in the previous quarter, which was a big help, having their total to 203.7 million total, raising Netflix revenue to 75 billion for the first time and profiting increasing 48% for the full year, which is really big and is unexpected. Okay, a lot of analysts already predicted the growth for this company and never really predicted this company will have so much money and so much revenue and so many new subscribers compared to other streaming services like Disney Plus, Hulu, Apple TV, AT&T's HBO Max, and Amazon Prime. None of these other companies really have what Netflix is doing. Netflix has the biggest strong growth and also has the bigger name out of all these other companies. Once this was announced, Netflix shares saw their biggest jump in 4 years. Okay, it jumped around 18% to around $593.29 compared to October of 2016 when they went up 19%. Okay, 200 million subscribers is not an easy feat whatsoever for any sort of company. Okay, a lot of analysts, the Wells Fargo analysts, said on Wednesday that we've gone from historically bear on Netflix to a card-carrying bull. You can already see that many analysts are already starting to believe in this company. They even raised their price target to $700 per share, up from $510. Also, 15 other analysts from highly good firms have also increased their price targets for Netflix as well. On top of subscriber growth, Netflix is also showing positive cash flow as well. One of the biggest concerns of really bearish investors have been saying about Netflix is that Netflix relies too heavily on funders or investors to actually fund their projects and use their money to basically fund, the company, right? But now it's not that, you can't use that argument anymore. Okay, they have a really good financial structure. Before, their debts was a really big concern and was weakness, but now that's not true anymore. In the fourth quarter of 2020, free cash burn was a mere 284 million versus 1.7 billion of burn in the year ago quarter. For the full year 2020, free cash flow was 1.9 billion versus 3.3 billion of burn in 2019. In other words, Netflix is now a cash flow positive company. And this is why this is very important and why a lot of investors started to even buy more shares of Netflix, okay? Combined with our 2.2 billion cash balance and our 750 million undrawn credit facility, we believe we no longer have to need to raise external financing for our day-to-day operations, okay, which is really good. They're no longer going to need financing from other people, and they also even announced they might even start doing buybacks of their shares, which makes a lot of investors happy because that means they can start to reward their investors. Hint, right now they do not have a dividend yield, but maybe, who knows, in the future they could start giving out dividends for the shareholders, which is a really big deal, okay? So bottom line, this is one of the most important things about their fourth quarter earnings. Competition concerns are overstated. We all know that Netflix have had many different competitors, but all these competitors haven't really made a dent like Netflix has really made a mark. Netflix remains the undisputed streaming king, and it shows with the streaming numbers and how many customers are actually in tune with Netflix. Number one things is that Netflix keeps on giving out original content that viewers love. The company's business model is very scalable and highly profitable. Yes, and they're going to continue to make money month to month and quarter to quarter. And as long as they keep getting more subscribers, investors will start to fall in love with this company. And as long as they keep making original content, they will get more and more subscribers into that company and their subscription fees. The company's financial strength will significantly improve over the next few years. This company is getting better financially, guys, and that is going to be extremely scary for all these other streaming services, that all these companies are putting money and getting finances and are in debt when it comes to the streaming service and the streaming platforms. But Netflix is no longer there, and they're not going to be there in the near future or in the future. This company in 2 to 5 years will have so much cash flow and have an even better balance sheet than what they have right now. Okay, so my price prediction for Netflix right now, guys, to be honest with you, is probably the same as many analysts. I believe this company will probably reach $700. You can see that Netflix is really kind of stagnant and it always keeps on increasing. If we could look at their 6-month chart, it kind of fluctuates up and down, but it never really takes a huge dip. Okay, it stays around flatline, but it keeps on increasing in value. Okay, but right now a lot of investors have really been falling in love with this company, and I do believe this company will continue to perform. At the end of the day, this company has been one of the top 10 performing stocks of the decade, number 1 to be in fact, returning around 4,011%. And this is a fun fact for all you investors. If you would have invested $1,000 a decade ago into Netflix, you would have gained $41,110 from your $1,000 investment. Okay, so Netflix is, there's always volatility when it comes to stocks, but when it comes to really good quality blue chip stocks, Netflix, you cannot really feather away. Me personally, I have one full share of Netflix, and I wish I had more when it crashed a little bit, but every single time there's a dip, I'm gonna continue to buy Netflix because this company in the future, as soon as it starts giving out dividends to investors, it will surely be a hit, and a lot of investors will start to fall in love even more with this company. Well, how can you argue 200 million subscribers and a solid balance sheet and a perfect beat in their earnings? You can't really argue that. And especially if they do start doing share and stock buybacks, it will really make this company a lot more profitable and increase the share value of these stocks. Okay, guys, so that's probably my price prediction for this company, and I do hope you guys did enjoy my full analysis and content. As always, I always try to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly can. And if you guys did enjoy the video, please remember you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. It really does help me out and helps out the YouTube algorithm to push out the video to other people that may enjoy the video like you do. If you guys are new to investing and want to start investing, I'm gonna put my Robinhood link down below. If you make an account using my Robinhood link, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, and we'll both be benefiting. Alright guys, so I do really appreciate the support I've been getting as of late and all the comments I've been getting. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about Netflix stock and where do you see this stock going in the near future. Thank you all for watching. I do really appreciate you guys, like I said before, and peace out. Have a great day. Please wear your mask and peace out. Till next time, guys. Peace.